What about rights? That is one term that everyone loves in America. The right, the left, the wokies, the libertarians. There's a broad consensus that in America we have rights.
One of the founders mockingly put it, what are we going to put in our Bill of Rights? The right to get up when you want, go to sleep when you want? You can't list all the rights. That's all the possible things that human beings could do. What you don't have, though, you don't have a right to welfare. You don't have a right to health care. You don't have a right to self-esteem by making other people praise you for whatever you're doing.
This is not the sanitized version of, the founders with powdered wigs talking about abstract principles. This is Tom West exposing the whole of the founding, including the parts of it that make us uncomfortable.
We've lost the frame for thinking clearly about politics in the modern world. I can do anything. I can become a cat. I mean, this is one of my favorites, these people today. Like if you had told George Washington, that's what you're building and that's what you're standing for, he would have just looked at you like, I don't know what kind of a rock you crawled out from under. The founders thought their own enterprise is worthy, is noble. They thought what they were doing was something grand, to establish and create a society that protects the common good.
We are going to discuss what the founders thought about natural rights, immigration, foreign policy, sex, marriage, going beyond the mere presentation of the abstract principles. So contrast it with the way of life of a contemporary America to accentuate the differences so as to bring it all to life.
The Republican government, that's the best way to organize politics if you can do it. That's only possible if you have a healthy American people. And what do you do when you don't have a healthy American people? What do you do when you have an American people that can't figure out minimal duties of citizenship?